In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find page notifications in Meta Business Suite. If you're managing a business page on Facebook, staying on top of notifications is crucial. They help you keep track of interactions, comments, and messages that require your attention. So let's dive right in and make sure you never miss an important update. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to your Meta Business Suite homepage. If you're not already familiar, Meta Business Suite is a comprehensive tool provided by Facebook to help manage your business's presence across Facebook and Instagram all in one place. So go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is your command center, offering access to various tools and features that help streamline your page management tasks. Here, you'll find a range of options that allow you to easily navigate through different aspects of your business's online presence. Now, what you're looking for is the Notifications tab. It's usually located towards the top of the sidebar, making it easy to locate. Clicking on this tab will direct you to a dedicated notifications section. This section is designed to compile all the alerts and updates relevant to your business page, keeping everything conveniently in one place. Once you're inside the notifications section, you'll notice there are three key options available to you. These options are there to help you filter and organize your notifications based on your specific needs. Depending on the nature of your business or your personal preferences, you can customize this section to focus on the most pertinent alerts. By understanding these options, you can prioritize your responses and manage your time more effectively. Whether it's engagement from followers, updates about your page's performance, or any other type of notification, you have the flexibility to adjust what you see and stay informed about what matters most to your business. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that you're always in the loop with what's happening on your business page. This way, you can engage more effectively with your audience, respond promptly to inquiries, and make informed decisions based on the latest updates. Remember, staying organized and responsive is key to maintaining a successful online presence, and Meta Business Suite's notification system is a fantastic tool to help you do just that. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your page notifications more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.